You see that kabutar? And kabutar is eating the corn which somebody threw it.
With somebody's Jeevan.
Hey!
Oh, that somebody's Jeevan.
No, not me. I am Jeevan. But I didn't throw. Papa is saying lies. I was following the road and I kept it close so that I can record of this video. So that you all can see this video. मामा ये भेज सकते हो ये वीडियो मेरे को मामा
Yes, I can.
थैंक यू How nice he's eating and all the birds. You see each one is eating a corn. So many corns.
वो ऑटो ड्राइवर क्यों पूछ रहा था कि ओला मनी कैश है?
If it's Ola money, he will not accept.
Why?
Sometimes they don't.
Oh no, they rolled it. Okay, it's okay.
You finish it. You want?
No, I'll give it to the birds. Just kidding, I'll have. After a sec. After a minute. Okay, anyway, this is my second wildlife video. First one was the squirrel one. Squirrel eating some rice grains or some. And now this pigeon eating corn. And as always, thanks for watching.